Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, they're all getting up and moving around because I have a light, even if it is just my flashlight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my gosh. 6, 7, 8, 9. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh, the bugs at night. I hate bugs at night. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22. Hello. 23, 24, 25. What do you got? 26, 27, 28. 29, and 30. Are we sure? Nope. 2 more hiding. 31, 32. Okay, let's check this back corner here. Ooh, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38. Can you guys hear Alex putting the ducks to bed? 39, 40, 41. 42, 43, 44. 45. Hi. 46, 47, 48. One more coop. Hello, everyone. What do we got today? $49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. What you guys got under you? 59, 60, 61. 62, 63, 64. Oh, that one has a peg. That's sad. 65. 66, 67, 68. I'm sorry, Mama. 69, 70, and 71. 72, 73, 74. You got me. 75. I got it. 75 chicken eggs, although one was pecked. Pig food. No, do not leave the coop. It's bedtime. Where are you girls going? Go back to bed.